Let us solve for x and y given x plus y is equal to 36. Let us solve for x and y given x plus y is equal to 6. Xy is equal to 66. X plus y is equal to 6. Let us call this equation 1. Xy is equal to 66. Let us call this equation 2. From equation 1, x plus y is equal to 6. Let us make this y the subject of the formula. Y is equal to 6 minus s. Let us call this equation 3. From equation 2, sy is equal to 66. Let us substitute for y, which is 6 minus x. Then we have x bracket 6 minus x is equal to 66. Let us open the bracket with this x. X multiplied by 6. This is 6x minus x multiplied by x. X squared is equal to 66. This can be written as minus x squared plus 6x minus 66 is equal to 0. Let us divide the whole of this equation by minus 1. Minus x squared divided by minus 1. This will give x squared, then plus 6x divided by minus 1, and minus 6x minus 66 divided by minus 1 plus 66 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. S is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Then from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 6, c is equal to 66. S is equal to minus bracket minus 6 plus or minus square root of minus 6 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 66 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. S is equal to minus times minus 6, that is plus 6 plus or minus square root of minus 6 square, that is 36, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 66, that is 264 divided by 2 multiplied by 1, 2. S is equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus 264, that is minus 228 divided by 2. Now minus 228 is equal to 4 multiplied by 57 multiplied by minus 1. S is equal to 6 plus or minus square root of minus 228 can be written as 4 multiplied by 57 multiplied by minus 1 divided by 2. S is equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2. Square root of minus 1 is I root 57 divided by 2. This can be written as 6 divided by 2 plus or minus 2I root 57 divided by 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 1, 2 here 1, 2 here 3. S is equal to 3 plus or minus square root of 57i. Therefore, S1 is equal to 3 plus square root of 57i, and S2 is equal to 3 minus square root of 57i. These are the values of x. We've gotten the values of x. Let us solve for y. To solve for y, from equation 3, y is equal to 6 minus x. Y1 is equal to 6 minus s1 is 3 plus square root of 57i, or y2 is equal to 6 minus 3 minus square root of 57i. Y1 is equal to 6 minus, if you open the bracket with negative, we have 3 minus square root of 57i. Y1 is equal to 6 minus 3. This is 3 minus square root of 57i. This is the value of y1. Then y2 is equal to 6 minus 3 plus square root of 57i. Y2 is equal to 3 plus square root of 57i. This is the value of y2. Therefore, our final answer are s1, y1 is equal to 3 plus root 57i, 3 minus root 57i. Then s2, y2 is equal to 3 minus square root of 57i, 3 plus square root of 57i. You can see that the value of s1 here is equal to the value of y2 here, and the value of y1 here is equal to the value of s2 here. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation s plus y is equal to 6. Sy is equal to 66. Let us consider this. S plus y can be written as 3 plus square root of 57i plus 3 minus square root of 57i must be equal to 6. This cancel this. 3 plus 3, this is 6, is equal to 6, which is true. Let us consider this. Sy can be written as 3 plus root 57i multiplied by 3 minus root 57i must be equal to 66. 3 times 3, 3 times 3, that is 9. Then minus 3 times root 57i, this is 3 root 57i plus root 57i multiplied by 3. This is 3 root 57i. Then root 57i multiplied by minus root 57i. That will be minus I square multiplied by square root of 57 all square must be equal to 66. This cancel this, this cancel this. 9 minus I square multiplied by 57 must be equal to 66. I square is equal to minus 1. 9 minus 1 multiplied by 57 must be equal to 66. This is 9 plus 57 must be equal to 66. 9 plus 57, this is 66, is equal to 66, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Bye.